In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the object eraser on an iPhone to remove unwanted objects from pictures. Start by going to the Apple App Store and searching for Google Photos. Install the Google Photos app by tapping Get. After installation, open Google Photos and allow the app to access your photos. Navigate through your photo library and select the image you want to edit. Tap the Edit button at the bottom of the screen to enter editing mode. Swipe through options in Edit mode and find Tools. Under Tools, select Magic Eraser, which allows you to erase unwanted objects. Use your finger to circle around the object you wish to remove. Then tap Done once satisfied. Save your edited photo by tapping Save. If you have any questions or found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment and give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.